See the water is in my bridge for you.
Excuse me, just what?
See my water for you. See the water for you now. What's happening?
Did you wash it?
Wash. No, what's happening?
Did you sterilize it?
Hey, sure? No.
Did you sanitize it?
Sanitation. Today be Saturday now. No.
One animal.
And you want me to use it?
So drink. Yes, now let me see my water for you. What's happening?
Kids.
This small girl, they use me the shine for this asshole.
Nigeria dịrị aka Ghana. Loi. Adala gị abịa Chineke akpọọla gị ọkụ. Ọkụ ire mọ ma bịrịbịrị isi English. Ejila English hotel sojisa gị oyi. Loi.
He said, "Ma, bring water, come." I bring water. I say, take. Waiting a year. Sanitize it. Wash it. Sterilize it. I not hear one.
Ka o shie gị ya. Ka ọ daa gị ya. Ọ nga m nọ. Did you fuel it? Gị na-eme ka zombie. Did you petrol it? Ịdị nyanya. Did you gas it? Muna go wo I na na the same compounds. Gi were m na-eme football. Ko obele nwe me sha mure. Yeah, we have America.
I not blame you. If to say your ear and I hear that English, you for that explode. Foreign English, they say this English.
Bekee no onye esere amụrụ m n'elie. Lekwa ị na-ewetere m ọnụ. Ịmakwa English wụ nga anyị koshi. English wụ n'ụlọ anyị taproot mpam wụ English. Mpam nwere ihe na-akpọ ya. Mpam nwere Beyonce na grammar. Gị nọ ngezi hari.
BSc, that's on your hand. BSc. Graduates.
Big.
Don't know anything. Learn English, no, green learn.
Gaga big aka na chance of BSc.
Foreign English where the sense come. Waiting for carry me call the
English amusu ni na say here. Ima no kitchen. Ihe gro English kitchen. Kitchen English. Kitchen English. Come on ga go dike gum riti volleyball. Come on ga go dike gum ga go cemetery revival. Mo ngo RIP hold. Nonsense. Ibrange ekufere. Lekwa obodo nwa.